Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Say I've got the tabletop from the Singer 241 out here, and I've got my shellac on it. I'll give you a look at how that turns out, and then I'm going to just show you quickly how I treat the other parts if I want to keep the sewing machine having a vintage look. Well, this is the product I use, and the first thing I'm going to say is if you're going to use this stuff, do it outside and do it with a professional mask on, because when I wear this mask I don't even smell, I don't even get an odor coming from this, and I am outside in the middle of my backyard. Read all the warnings in the label while you're in the store before you even buy it. Okay, so now that we got that over with, this is how the parts turn out when I spray the shellac on them. All I do is take them to the car wash, hit them with the power washer, and I don't care about rust. This rust is going to turn a brown color, and that's what I like. It keeps it looking old, but the shellac seals it, and you're not getting rust. I can use this in the future, and I'm not going to get dirty. And here's another part. I've already sprayed some on here. It's not quite dry yet. I'm not going to touch it. But I don't know if the camera's going to show this, but here's the rust before. Let me back up a little. Before it's sprayed on. And over here on this side, you can see a little gloss to the finish. That is the rust after. It just turns it kind of a, here's another example. It turns it kind of a chocolate brown, and it seals everything. So if I take this in the house to use it, I'm not bringing in any dirt or anything's going to come off of this. Everything's sealed on here. And here I haven't sprayed any on here. Here's just the plain rust. You can see I wipe with my finger. I'm going to get brown on my finger from the rust, but as you saw over here, it's all sealed. So that's the trick I'm using to keep the, because I want to keep all this looking as vintage and original as possible. Some of the machines that are more modern, I go ahead and just spray all these parts a dark gray or a black color. But if you want to keep that vintage look, try that. Like I said, before you leave the store, look right there at below clear and read all that, and then decide if you want to take it home or not. Alright, that's it. See ya.